Hello, this is Devin from Keeping My Kinders Busy. I just want to take a quick moment and show you guys the October week 1 lesson plans and some of my tricks and tips. These lesson plans are a free download on the blog. I'll also leave a link in the comments below. I like to start out my day with morning work on the table, and as the kids are finishing, I throw it up on the document camera, quickly go through it, and then I have them take home and finish what they don't finish in class as homework. This sheet shows them what we're working on in class, and parents love to see what we're up to. Right after that, we move to the carpet and I do calendar time. At the beginning of each month, I like to use the Jack Hartman's calendar songs, and he has one for October that's really fun. This week, we're doing counting on at the beginning of the week, and at the end of the week, we're doing one more, one less. When I teach one more, one less, I always have the kids do the one more column first because it's easier for them. So they say 5, 6, and then I have them count backwards, 6, 5, 4 to find the one less. After math, I do phonics. This week, we're doing M, P, L, S, and V as a review, and then we're doing our new letters, H, D, J, and T. After phonics, my kids go out to the playground, and when they come in, I always put on a song as they're walking in, and at this time of the year, I always do an alphabet song. Once they get situated, I read them a quick story, and then we go into our centers. I teach guided reading at my center, and I'm lucky enough to have an aide who I have do this handwriting because I think it's really important that they see letters formed correctly and practice them correctly. This week, we're doing apples as our guided reading, and then I use the no prep packets for one of my independent centers, and I mix in math and reading during my language arts centers. And then I also use boom cards as an independent center. And then again, I have an aide doing the handwriting. So after that, my kids actually go to lunch. They come back in, and then we do our enrichment time. So I alternate between the writing program and the themes, the pumpkin theme for October. So the writing this week, we have my favorite things, and I'll also do a grocery list. And then we have the pumpkin unit. The pumpkin unit is so much fun. The kids love it. I start out on the first day with the slideshow showing how the pumpkins grow. And then later in the week, I read From Seeds to Pumpkin. And we'll do the little book where they color the pictures and the vocabulary. I also love that this program has the 2 versions of the How Do Pumpkins Grow, one that has the words on it and ones that don't for your higher students. And then after my kids finish that, they go to free choice time, and then we have recess, and then I do a story at the end of the day before they go home. But I wanted to take a quick moment and show you how I would use the distance learning packets if you are using those. So I just broke it down by day. You'll print the 3 pages at the top that go with the program. And then I just picked a math, a reading, and then I alternated writing phonics for the 3rd page. So you would just print these. If you're printing front to back and you have a cutting page, make sure you throw a blank page between it. So then there's 5 days of the distance learning packet. If this was helpful for you, please like this video and drop a comment below with what was helpful and what you would like to hear next. Thank you and have a great week.